Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I have for you this beautiful nude, beige, brown, silver, gold, rose, mauve, purple color. With my friend, it is my current signature makeup look for this year by 2024. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Beauty Dark Blonde 10 pencil for my brows. Then I have sculpted them up with my Just Touch liquid concealer with vitamins E and B3. Then I have set up my lid with the same concealer, and I have set up also with my pressed powder by Kylie Cosmetics. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In today's video, my friends, I will have for you my signature, my current signature makeup look, glam makeup look for 2024. And I will use my Ingrid Cosmetics Foxy Eyes Trendy Eyeshadow Palette, which is this. These are the very beautiful colors that I'm gonna use. For today, I'm gonna use the first 4 shadows to do this look. And I will start with this very fluffy brush and my Arctic Fox, which is a very light nude, dusty white color, which I'm gonna apply onto the whole lid. I will do for you a signature look, my signature look for this year 2024. I'm applying onto the whole lid the white color, the dusty white color. And I will do the same onto my other eye, of course. I'll continue with my pale fox, which is this, a nude champagne beige color, which I'm gonna apply onto the inner crease with my eyebrow 104. I'm applying it from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner and a little upwards under the brow bone area. This is gonna be some light, soft glam look with nude colors, nude beige, nude brown, champagne and nude purple, and on the outer part. And onto the other eye I'm doing the same. It's a very beautiful, easy look. And this is my signature look that I am doing every day, almost every day when I want to go out. This is my signature. Applying it with circular motions from the inner part of the eye to the outer corner, back and forward. Of course, I will continue with the Bengal Fox, which is this color, which I'm going to apply onto the outer corner, dusting off always the excess of the color. I really love this nude color. And onto the other corner. And of course, onto the inner part of the lid, I will apply the Fennec Fox, which is this, which is the nude champagne shimmery color for the inner lid. Beautiful. This look is going to be really beautiful, warm undertone colors, nude colors, shadows, and onto the other eye. I really adore this look. Of course, continue to apply my golden rose highlighter under the brow bone area. It is gonna be a soft look, soft eye look, as you will see. And onto the inner part of the eye, I will apply some rose gold highlighter. This is a palette. It's one of my favorite palettes that I'm using it today for this video. I have promised to you to use that palette. It's one of my newest. And what else? Let's apply some more of this with the outer corner to apply it a little under the brow bone area and onto the outer eye part of the eye. I always pull it a little outside of the brow bone area. And now I will have my Tommy G Precision eyeliner, chocolate brown, with which I'm gonna apply one liner. I will not have an eyeliner onto the outer part. I will have only a line onto the lash roots just to connect the shadows with the false lashes. And I'm gonna apply my brown, chocolate brown liner. I will not have a wing liner. That one soft line directly onto the lash root. And you see, and it is easy for you. And if you are at the beginning of your career, it is very, very easy look for you, my friend. One tip for you is, when you are at the beginning of your career, always start to have looks, any look you have, and choose warm undertone colors. Don't choose at the beginning very blue, very green, very burgundy. They are a little difficult for you. Start with the classic nude, beige, soft, deep brown, and the classic black, of course. As you see, I have applied one line directly onto the lash root. I didn't have a wing liner. I don't like it for this look. That's a little coffee while I work. And now I'm going to apply. I will have these false lashes. Of course, you can leave your look only with your mascara. I will have my Eveline Cosmetics Mega Size lashes, which is this. I will use my lash curler first and then apply my mascara, and over my natural mascara, natural lashes, I will apply the falsies. Never apply mascara onto the false lashes. It will ruin your lashes immediately. Only, as you see, under the false lashes, I will have my mascara, 2, 3, 4 coats, and then I will have my lashes, the falsies. Of course, in this look, maybe you don't want false lashes. I have told you that I like false lashes in all the looks and in all the day. If you don't want something like this, apply your black mascara, and more if you want, and if you have a brown mascara, it will be very nice to have a total brown look. I will have my mascara, my friend. I'm gonna apply my false lash off camera because I don't want you to be tired. And coming back, my lashes are done. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. Applying Fit Me Maybelline Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. Of course, always primer before you start your makeup. And of course, you must have to do the whole skincare as I have done before I will start to do my makeup look. For me, I took a very nice, very hydrating and smoothing primer. For you, it depends. If you have dry skin as mine, choose something like moisturizing and hydrating. If you have something more oily skin, choose some primer that it is more matte. I will apply it with my finger. Of course. One step that I'm gonna do before applying my foundation is to apply a luminous product, my Flawless Glow Filter, Glow and Smoothing. This is a product that it is a dupe of Hollywood Filter by Charlotte Tilbury, and I will apply it with my hand. Just a product to have some very luminous and smooth skin before applying my foundation. I've tried sometime to apply this with my beauty blender, but don't do it because it will absorb all the product. So apply it only with your finger, not with a beauty blender or brush. I'm applying the product onto the whole face. As you see, look what a very luminous product this is, and it has only €6. One other dupe, it is ELF, but ELF here in Europe I cannot find it very easily, so I find this English cosmetics company, which is very nice, and I'm having very many products from this brand, and look what a very nice, brilliant product this is. I recommend that product. And now I'm going to apply my foundation. In this part, I will apply my Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid Collagen 10 Ivory. 10 Ivory is my shade. I will apply some on my beauty blender and starting quick to apply the product, because as we have told, the most liquid products getting dry very, very fast, so we have to apply them very quick. And onto the neck, down onto the neck. Continuing with my Just Touch liquid concealer onto the inner part of the eye, onto the outer corners. You don't need much, directly onto the bottom eye area, don't apply that. Onto the bridge of the nose, onto the mustache area, and onto the chin area, and two lines as a mini lift near the mouth, and this product applied always with a beauty blender. Of course, continuing with my fabric matte foundation to apply it as a contouring onto the forehead, onto the nose, onto the cheeks, and onto the jawline area, and over that I will have my Tinted Cheeks Mon Rêve blush onto the cheeks and some onto the nose, and over that I will have my Golden Rose Cyan Mousse Highlighter and onto the temple, and I will start to apply the product starting from, I don't remember if I have told you that, starting always from the contouring product. Always applying first the contouring product. Then we will continue with the blushing product and onto the jawline directly down onto the neck, onto the forehead, of course, onto the nose, and now continuing with my liquid blush, the second product we have to apply, it is the blush. And the last product is the mousse, the liquid highlighter. Now I'm taking my loose powder. I'm going to set up the under eye area first with the same powder. It is a banana powder. Also you can use a translucent white powder. I'm gonna set up in the whole face. If you are a warm tone color, skin color, you have to use banana or translucent. If you have a skin more rose, more white, you can use and these powders that are pink or lavender. But if you are a more warm tone color as I am, choose only translucent and banana. I have set up the whole face. Of course, I'm taking in my compact powder to set up over the face because I want some result more matte. And it is a tip for you if you are a very oily person, choose both of the powders. But don't ever use compact powder under your bottom eye area, never. Taking my bronze, continuing with my powdery product, bronze bronzer. over the liquid, of course, onto the same point, onto the nose line, onto the thick bone. Then I will have some contouring onto the inner part of the nose with my bronzer. Continue with my blush, which is this. And over that I will apply a more shimmery blush, more coral, my cyan, over the other. And of course my highlighter onto the thick bone, onto the nose, onto the cupid bow, and some on my temples. Going to continue with my under eye area, applying all the shadows I have applied onto the upper eye area, starting always from the darkest, applying the darkest, always, continue with the crease color, and of course applying the shimmery color onto the inner part of the eye. In this look I will have my lip liner by Golden Rose 502. This is a very nice nude pink color, and I will have to apply this onto the inner waterline area. And of course I will have my black mascara, only one coat, onto the bottom eye. Don't apply much mascara onto the bottom eye. Let's have our fixing spray. Just some coffee. While I work, I need coffee. And of course the last step is our lips. My lip liner that I have used on the waterline area. And my Nude Mauve by Cyan lipstick, which is one of my favorite satin lipstick. And my friends, this is my complete finished look. As you see, it is a very nice nude brown beige champagne mauve look, my friends. This is my signature look, my current signature look for 2024. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!